Our digital lives are more intertwined than ever before. With each passing year, the integration of technology into our daily routines becomes more seamless and indispensable. Social media platforms, especially Instagram, have become central to our personal and professional interactions. From sharing moments with loved ones to networking with colleagues, Instagram is a hub of activity. We share our lives, build connections, and even conduct business through this visual platform. The photos and videos we post are not just memories, they are pieces of our identity. This makes Instagram security paramount in 2025. As we continue to rely on this platform, the need to protect our digital footprint becomes increasingly critical. A compromised account isn't just an inconvenience, it's a potential gateway to personal data, financial information, and even identity theft. The consequences of a breach can be far-reaching and devastating. Hackers are becoming increasingly sophisticated. They employ advanced techniques and tools to exploit vulnerabilities, making it essential for users to stay vigilant. They exploit vulnerabilities to gain access to accounts for malicious purposes. These can range from spreading misinformation to committing fraud. Understanding how these attacks work is the first step to protecting yourself. By educating ourselves, we can recognize potential threats and take proactive measures. This essay will delve into the methods hackers use to compromise Instagram accounts. We will explore the various tactics and strategies employed by cybercriminals. We will explore the importance of ethical hacking. Ethical hackers, or white hat hackers, use their skills to identify and fix security flaws before they can be exploited. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in identifying and fixing vulnerabilities. Their work is essential in creating a safer online environment for everyone. Their work helps protect individuals and organizations from cyber threats. By staying ahead of malicious actors, they ensure that our digital interactions remain secure. By understanding the methods used by malicious actors, we can better defend ourselves and our online presence. Knowledge of these tactics empowers us to take the necessary precautions. This guide will empower you with the knowledge to navigate the digital landscape safely and responsibly. It will provide you with practical tips and strategies to enhance your online security. Remember, knowledge is your best defense in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and protect your digital life. Phishing attacks are one of the most common methods used to compromise Instagram accounts. These attacks are not just limited to Instagram, but are prevalent across various online platforms, targeting millions of users every day. These attacks prey on human vulnerability rather than technical weaknesses. They exploit our trust and curiosity, making it easy for even the most cautious individuals to fall victim. Hackers will often send emails or text messages disguised as official Instagram communications. These messages are crafted to look legitimate, often mimicking the style and tone of real Instagram notifications. These messages might claim there's an issue with your account or offer a too-good-to-be-true opportunity. They might say your account has been compromised or that you need to verify your information to avoid suspension. The goal is to trick you into clicking a malicious link. Once clicked, these links can lead you to websites that look almost identical to Instagram's login page. These links can lead to fake login pages designed to steal your credentials. By entering your username and password, you are unknowingly handing over your information to the hackers. They may also download malware onto your device. This malware can monitor your activities, steal sensitive information, and even take control of your device. Once the hackers have your username and password, they can take over your account. They can lock you out, change your password, and use your account for malicious activities. Phishing attacks are successful because they often look very convincing. The level of detail and effort put into these fake messages can easily deceive even the most vigilant users. The messages may use Instagram's branding and language. They might include logos, fonts, and even links that appear to be from Instagram's official website. They might even come from an email address that looks official at first glance. Always double-check the sender's email address and be cautious of any unexpected messages. Brute force attacks are a less subtle but equally effective method of hacking. This technique involves systematically guessing your password until they find the right one. Hackers use automated tools that can try thousands or even millions of password combinations per second. While simple passwords can be cracked in minutes, complex passwords can take much longer. The longer and more complex your password, the harder it is to crack using brute force. This is why using strong, unique passwords for your online accounts is crucial. Social engineering relies on manipulating people into giving up their information willingly. This technique can be incredibly effective, as it often exploits human trust and helpfulness. Hackers may impersonate someone you know, like a friend or a coworker, to gain your trust. They might then ask for your Instagram login credentials under false pretenses. For example, they might claim they've been locked out of their account and need to borrow yours. They might also offer to help you with a technical issue, only to steal your information in the process. Social engineering attacks can be very difficult to spot. Hackers often spend time researching their targets to make their requests seem more believable. Malware, the silent intruder. Malware is any type of software designed to harm or exploit a computer system. In the context of Instagram hacking, malware can be used to steal your login credentials, monitor your keystrokes, or even take control of your device entirely. Hackers might spread malware through malicious links, infected attachments, or even compromised apps. Once malware is on your device, it can operate silently in the background. You may not even realize your device is infected until it's too late. This makes malware a particularly dangerous threat to your online security. Exploiting third-party apps, a backdoor to your account. Many third-party apps and services offer integration with Instagram. These can range from photo editing tools to analytics platforms. While many of these apps are legitimate and safe to use, some may have security vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. When you grant a third-party app access to your Instagram account, you're essentially giving it permission to access your data and perform actions on your behalf. If the app is compromised, hackers can potentially gain access to your account as well. Always be cautious about granting access to your Instagram account to third-party apps. Carefully review the app's permissions and only grant access to apps you trust. Wi-Fi eavesdropping, public networks, hidden dangers. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, meaning your internet traffic isn't encrypted. This makes it relatively easy for hackers to intercept your data, including your login credentials, when you're connected to a public network. Hackers can use various techniques to eavesdrop on your internet traffic. This includes using packet sniffers to capture data packets as they're transmitted over the network. They can then analyze this data to extract your login credentials and other sensitive information. Protecting your Instagram essential security tips. Protecting your Instagram account requires a multifaceted approach that combines technical safeguards with vigilance and common sense. In today's digital age, where cyber threats are ever evolving, it's crucial to stay one step ahead to ensure your personal information remains secure. Strong passwords. Use a strong, unique password for your Instagram account. This is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. This password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a unique code sent to your phone or email. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code from your phone or email in addition to your password. This makes it significantly harder for hackers to gain access, even if they have your password. Beware of phishing links. Be wary of suspicious links in emails or text messages. Cybercriminals often use these tactics to trick you into revealing your login credentials. If you receive a message claiming to be from Instagram that asks for your login credentials, go directly to the Instagram website or app to verify the request. Never click on links from unknown sources. Limit third-party app access. Be cautious about granting access to your Instagram account to third-party apps. These apps can sometimes be a gateway for hackers. Only grant access to apps you trust and carefully review the app's permissions. Regularly check and revoke permissions for apps you no longer use. Secure your device. Keep your device's operating system and apps up to date with the latest security patches. These updates often include fixes for security vulnerabilities. Install a reputable antivirus and anti-malware software to protect your device from malware. This software can detect and remove threats before they cause harm. Public Wi-Fi caution. Avoid accessing your Instagram account on public Wi-Fi networks. These networks are often less secure and can be a hotspot for cyber criminals. If you must use public Wi-Fi, use a VPN to encrypt your internet traffic. A VPN provides a secure tunnel for your data, making it much harder for anyone to intercept your information. By following these essential security tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of your Instagram account being compromised. Stay vigilant and proactive in protecting your digital presence. Ethical hacking, a force for good in cybersecurity. Ethical hacking plays a crucial role in making the internet a safer place. Ethical hackers use the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers. However, they do so with permission and with the goal of identifying and fixing vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. By simulating real-world attacks, ethical hackers can help organizations strengthen their defenses and protect their systems from cyber threats. Ethical hacking is an essential part of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy.